Hello guys, it's your fellow investor here with another video. In this video I'm going to be talking about Santo Mining Corporation with ticker symbol SANP. I'm going to tell you current news, what is going on with the company, why did we see such a big move during a stock market crash, because let me tell you, that's quite an unusual move. I'll tell you the news from the CEO himself, I'll show you SEC filings, why some data are not updated, and why you should do always your own due diligence. If you're interested in that and you'd like to see more content like this, definitely subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos, and smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help me out a little bit. Both of these actions are for free and it helps me out tremendously. With that being said, let's get into the news. So as we can see, Santo Mining Corporation is now worth 1 cent. It's not much, it was worth way more. However, at the bottom it was 0.0041. And if you bought at the bottom on the 4th March, you're now up 150%. So kudos to you if you've pulled out this move. However, if you even bought on Friday after the market opened, you're still up 117%. Roughly. Important take here from is that this company can go against the market, which you don't see every day. If you somehow don't know what a SANP is or what they do, I've already made 2 videos about this company more in depth, but I'll still go quickly through it so you get the overall picture if you found this company for the first time. Santo Mining focus is to bring blockchain technology to our daily lives. They do this by leveraging their subsidiary SciTech Technology and Development joint stock company in Vietnam. They are also continuously searching for acquisitions to bring value to their shareholders. They have blockchain technology, staking pools, most importantly staking pools, they're on the OTC markets, and they're looking for acquisitions. If you are interested to find out more about this company, definitely check out my 2 previous videos or just go on their website and do your due diligence on your own. I will leave the link in the description. I went through their website and I found out that they've added a new section, scitech.dev, or I don't know if I missed that previously, but I'm not sure if that was here available. Anyways, we can see that they are now offering a lot of services, most importantly software development services, which are going to be very key in the future. They have outsourcing services team who works with yours to deliver bespoke quality software products. We have designed and developed everything from engaging mobile web apps, blockchain smart contracts to enterprise grade solutions. Here we can see what all they're offering, so I'll just read the headlines and you feel free to read the descriptions on your own. They offer enterprise software developers, software product developers, software product re-engineers, big data developers, expert software consultants, desktop application developers, experts for support and maintenance, mobile app developers, experts for technologies migration, web app developers, real-time app developers, and software integration experts. As we can see, they have a lot of services available for anyone. Here they are trying to sell their services, so I don't think I need to go that. Only that they have top level management over 25 years in corporate America, so I think they're talking about their CEO. Here they are again just saying what they are all capable of, and again I'll skip that because it's a lot of text, a lot of information, and our time is precious. But basically they have full stack web development team which they can offer you. Then they have mobile team, blockchain team, e-commerce and CMs and others, so basically they've really upgraded their game. Now they are not that unknown, now they are presenting themselves way better than they were doing that before, and it's really good to see that the company is moving in the right direction, I have to say. Like over a month ago roughly a month ago, when I made the first video about this company, nobody knew about it. It was worth $0.0028 and right now it's 1 cent. So even though you bought before or after I made a video, you're up now after the recent rebound. You are now up about what, 400-500%, which is not too shabby. If you scroll down, here you can join their Cardano staking pool. I'll leave that to you. I clicked on it, they describe it, how it works, where you can find that, what is the purpose of it. So I'll not be going through it in this video because it will again take us a lot of time. Now I'd like to move to their Twitter because I found out they've been very active there recently, and that's very good to see, because there's been some rumors about that they don't care about their investors, they just are a bad company, and they took it personally and answered to all these rumors and put them 6 feet under. But before we get to that, I'd like to point out that they are staking Cardano because it's like the next future cryptocurrency, and there's a good point that Cardano is far more efficient in adding transactional metadata than older blockchains. Cardano's transaction metadata size is about 16 kilobytes, while older blockchains support about 40 to 80 bytes of metadata. So you know, it's way smaller, it's way efficient, and that's why I think their products, their DNA tags, or their company DNAX is going to be very successful in the future. As well as on March 31st, Cardano will be 100% decentralized and in the hands of stake pools. So there's this article, not long till D equals 0 day, and it's a lot of text, lot of information. If we scroll down, there's even some percentages and some calculations, some graphs, and plenty of text, and I will definitely won't go through it, but I will for sure put it in the description so you can do so on your own and understand the subject better. If we go back to their Twitter, we can see they are very active, and we can see even then they answer questions from concerned shareholders. So if we move to that onto the Reddit, we can see there are some questions the investors asked. So there's really nothing new, but what is actually interesting is that do you actually mine crypto? And they answer that they have a stake pool that they mine ADA coins, also known as Cardano, and they mined a block giving them almost 19% ROA, and you can find it here in the adapools.org/blah blah blah. I'll put the link here as in the description to this article as well, so you can also check it out on your own. And if we head into their security details, we can see that here they have stop sign and dark or defunct penny stock, and this is something I was really scared of. However, they very recently filled their A-key SEC filing. It was like 4 days ago, and if we check it out, it's their current report, and we can see they haven't done their financials in some time. And even if you go through the Twitter on your own, you can see the CEO or the CFO just going through their financials, and then he's like spending 12 to 18 hours a day just working it out. Well, it's kind of their fault that they haven't been doing it in the past properly, but it's good to see that they are now on the right track. So definitely put a link to this SEC filing again in the description so you can go through it. But basically they're working on to get this stop sign or the dark or defunct sign from OTCmarkets.com, because this is where people had to look for information about the penny stocks. And I just want to point out that about 3 weeks ago when I brought it up, or 3 to 4 weeks ago, the market cap was about $26 million, and right now it's over 100, and there is still plenty of room to growth. So if you're interested in that, yes, I'm bullish on this company. And last but not least, let's check the stock tweet. We can see there's almost 11,000 watchers, which is amazing to see. The community is still growing, and I'm surprised that there hasn't been bigger message volume when the stock price went 117% up almost on Friday. But it is what it is. Maybe just a lot of people got in here yesterday when the stock price went through the roof, or should I say against the market. That was my take on this SANP, some current updates and news regarding to this company. I hope I brought you some value. If I did, definitely subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out more upcoming videos in the future, as well as smashing the like button helps me out to defeat the algorithm and get this video to as many people as possible. Also let me know down in the comments below if you bought at the bottom. I'm curious if somebody actually pulled it off, or if you bought after the market open on Friday, or if you are just holding for 2 months, 3 months, or if you bought after I made my first video. I'm interested in your thoughts. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video.